and run the house 3 times. Guess what? VP Records just released Friends No Good. The song named Friends, F-R-E-N-Z. Me don't know what going on, you know, but them lit the nail upon the air, right? Yes,
right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
First of all, let me say congratulations to Spice. Friends has been officially released by VP. Yes, Spice has been wanting that song to be released forever. The song finally out. From when you see how Spice excited in the beginning there, yes, the song out. But anyway, as you see from the topic where it says publicity stunt, and me says so, it's not me. But Macadaiman says she feel like it's a publicity stunt. Yes, people. Make me hear what Macadaiman have to say then.
Remember, you're not independent.
I'm asking a question. I'm asking a question. Who not feel clear? Is a blood publicity stunt that go on?
If it's a stunt,
Who not feel it's a publicity stunt that go on?
why me don't know how not fit that, you know? Cause we are
It
the
doesn't look
people.
like cut and paste, Maka.
Yeah, cut and paste thing.
Cut and paste. I feel so.
No,
It don't look like cut and paste.
Cut
You run it.
That one publicity stunt that go on. They put a deal.
You think so?
Yes.
Oh, hold on. Maka, then if public city stunt a go on, you know that know about it, man?
No, I'm not going to know because I want to look like it's plan to take over.
So let me ask you something now, Maka, because everybody will be a hypocrite. That year at Sting now, why did you go home? Let's be real about it.
All right. Oh, but I'm going to get the shot glass with that big one.
Yeah, make we get, no,
We'll get another shot.
she need a shot for that one, yeah? She need a shot for that one, yeah.
I said in our interview earlier, I did 2 interviews tonight, and I said, if RT Boss want to pay me around 5,000 US right now, I'm going to do a song with him. I'm busy.
You gonna do a song with him?
Oh, you mean, yeah?
This is how you do, Maka.
Business I deal with.
Business, me run your business.
But Maka, does that mean you're not nothing about yourself? I just money you have, Maka.
What business you do, sir? It's simple to support my friend.
And said, he's a sex
But it's a business. I don't blame you, Maka.
When
No, but when me I say no, when me I say no, Maka, me don't know about promotion, cause me is me. But when me I say no, Maka, why didn't you go into Sting? And that the people them want to know. Why did someone threaten you? Because yeah, why didn't you go and Sting that year when they bring a donkey? So what? Look from when you clash.
I went to Sting, right? And I had a And when I went to the gate, they would have never let me.
Them wouldn't let you through the gate.
Nobody, the security, everything. I call every day, I call with a line, I call. They said them not let me in unless it's me alone have to come. So I said, me alone, never come with my people to defend me. And them said, no, they're only gonna give me a pass for me alone to come, and it's me alone have to go. That sounds like them a plan for me.
Oh, say they just butter.
So no, but
Come on at the gate now, in the bus, and when me say, my lady come with donkey and about 100 people, and them let her read. So,
Oh, no, say just leave.
whoa.
Okay, got you. Me not wrong you.
So I said,
Leave. Are you alone?
I said, nobody not going to trick me. I said, Mr. Leng, so I'm not letting people without donkey and all this thing, I don't want me alone to come here. I try to run and you can't bring in nobody. And very okay. Bye. I'm going to go one different event. I'm going to perform and come here. A couple of days after, I start like semi-rotate. I start feeling crazy. Say me I come and farm. Say me come go farm and go pull up and make me stress out. I'm come and farm. But I just feel worse. And then I got my mother to that. I tell my mother, say, Mommy, I feel like the food they don't come, no, how I feel. My mother, the family said, I'm not over, you know. I said, Mama, why you don't think them with them? Because them things never happen. You never believe in them things. My mother never believed in them things. So I said, my mother, I want to let her put it later. And I slept in that boat.
They could drink that shot.
Yeah, I'm come foreign and I'm go on after that. Career too. No, I'm get die and die come like it never exists. It's like them beat it down, them beat it. But to me now I tell myself something about the over me. I feel say at the mouth. You know them man say mouth most of them over.
Obstacles.
But when people mouth the pan, you go to a same like over.
Yeah, people more with
Let's go through that. The procedure anyway. The motors department a bag of stress in school. And them not lie because them have a thing go around where she has said people might rise up some old thing and I said the woman said she beat me bad. I want to stay to attend to it. I mean one more win. Because this girl
so one woman beat you, Maka?
Somebody beat you?
How did
the girl said she beat me. I mean
Maka, them always out here because me hear you say somebody jog off your wig.
yes, because you know, so I meet a rich boy, man. But then him end up there for about 6 years too. And him we get a bag of money from them. The man that carry me out the car, I said, my girl, when you come with me, you don't want a man ask for the first night. Bring the girl out. By the time the food come out on the table tonight, to grab out the wig in front of the man. So I say, what is? What kind of friend? You know, so from them time there, we start praying and say, you know, to that person have problem.
Yeah.
It's not hear me. I say, if one man carry me up on date and me bring me.
Yeah, we are here.
If a man came up on date and me carry with me, and you grab off my wig in front of the man, what that mean?
So the front not try embarrass
No, she embarrass you in front of the man. No, you style me.
Yes.
Yeah. She try to style you.
Yeah, so just style me for the man because she realized that the man is heavy and the man is above him money and the man really like me. So it's like, let me tell you how some girls stay. Some girls feel like say, them I watch looks and this and that, or some girl ugly. And that's some energy is different.
But you know, Maka, and I think that more you cut out that thing about ugly thing and them thing. Just stop say that, man.
Oh, no. I'm not saying that, but I'm saying that, I say, in a intention. I saw them a pre.
Oh.
I feel like
Okay,
girl. But man now watch the energy and the vibes that them get from a woman.
Yeah.
So people don't understand
and the vibes that them get, yeah. And that some girl get it twisted.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And a lot of people say, boy, why am I wait till now for come talk and worry? If me they come out last week, 2 weeks ago, 1 month ago, 2 months ago, people that say me bad man, I'm wicked and not go so angry. So I come out as a passport. So even if this is a publicity stunt and it's a movie them a act, me never book, I come look. I'm a name call right. I'm just talk with my mind. So,
I don't blame.
So if nobody never want hear nothing from me, them shouldn't call my name.
All right.
Exactly.
All right, you're right. Some people would rather. Some people don't believe Obia because somebody say why we are talking about this Obia thing. Some people don't believe about Obia.
That's what I'm telling you. I never saw
science. Yeah, science, spiritual work, whatever I call. If the woman feel like say I be a crosses did I come down upon her in her life, that's how she feel. That's how she feel. Bottom line, whatever you want to call it.
But no. You see them people on social media, they're a bunch of hypocrites.
Yes.
Them know you have good spirit and you have bad spirit.
Them know that.
But they're hypocrites.
Hypocrite.
Yeah. The Bible says believe kill and believe cure.
My eyes are based on bad name, Sky, because last weekend...
Them a hypocrite. Them know so Obi are there. Them know say Obi are there. Them know. But through them up on social media, oh no, don't say that. Don't do that. Don't say that. Is it true me know say them say banana skin in my way enough time, I'm just walk over it.
Maka, but in all reality, look how much we wake up the following morning and Jamaica and we see we friend or we family mad and walk up and down near
them
and lose them. Them go like them no witness them thing. Them are hypocrite.
Them know. But them front for social media. Don't say that. Nothing gonna stop. Down it is.
Then they say, all right, then the mouth, them say mouth it wasn't an Obia, so the facts to the main, so them mouth did upon me, and them beat me down with them mouth, and them tried drag me to the mud, and them tried disgrace me, and that was part of everything. Them feel like say, me have a bad life. I am Maka Diamond.
Yeah.
Born him, me have done already, me have hula hoop, me have die, me have whole heap of songs. Me have when the year and every 6 months, me have a good check coming from my royalties. I am still working. Me still get 1 or 2 shows. But as I said, people not to be ungrateful. When people help you out and things are going for you, you have to help them out. That is it. Simple.
Exactly. That's it.
That's it. You understand? Next January 12th coming is my birthday. Whole heap of things are going on. You know, the Hollywood family is gonna be here. I'm a party, I'm a Leonard party, secret party, special people party.
Somebody has said, you talk like Spice never do nothing for you.
What is that? Manipulate me? And what am I talking? What am I saying? Do what?
Them say Spice do no feel.
Bring donkey for bring me down. Nothing else. Bring news to later.
Blood clot, somebody says she hired a Rasta for sit. Listen to me, no, mix me. Do not mix me. Sky.
No.
Sky has left the building.
No. Internet. Once you're on internet, you cannot run away from no topic. I'm just saying. A lot of people have said. Me no know. At one point, she did a lot big Maka. Me no know. She did put you up.
Who?
Maka was the water fort.
Me no know because them say she did a lot to Maka.
I grew up, my mother have her own house, and she put me in them, buy my house and leave out there. Me no owe mortgage. My house I'm living in, me no owe mortgage. So nobody can.
Alright, so now hear what Maka Diamond have to say. What says you? Wanna feel like it's a publicity stunt or you feel like it is all real? Well, my opinion is this. If it is really a publicity stunt, them really wrong for that. Yeah. Because if you see all the dancers them come out and carry on, the accusations towards the man. And if Danger actually plot up this. So, me not feel like it's a publicity stunt. Me personally, me not feel so. You understand? But you can talk to me down below and make me know. Zane, watch out. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. And I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.